Hello, hello. How are you? I hope you're doing good. I do. Leave it down in the comments. Let me know how you doing. I want to know. So, I got another box, and thankfully, my boxes have started trickling in, and I've gotten shipping notifications. So, I love it when this happens because I love getting my boxes. Now, I got my American Influencer Beauty Bundle. And I do get this. Thank you, AIA Beauty Bundle. They do send me this free for review, and so I can share it with you guys, along with giving me a discount code. So y'all can get this subscription for yourself and get a discount on your first month. Now, this is a bi-monthly subscription, so this is the April-May 2021 box. And American Influencer Beauty Bundle is a really great subscription. I have been enjoying getting this. I've subscribed to it since they started. Obviously, in the beginning, I paid for it. Now, not so much. Thank you. Love them. But not only is it affordable, but how this bi-monthly subscription works is what they do is they collab with a different beauty influencer every other month, and that influencer curates a box. Now, sometimes it's going to be a brand that you get in a box, all the same brand, or, like I said, a beauty influencer that picks all specific products, some of their favorites, to include in a box. And we have got some amazing products. And in addition to that, it's not only makeup, but a lot of times there's skincare, hair care, all different stuff. So I love the fact that each time the box comes out, you're going to get something a little bit different from the normal subscription boxes we get. I did see some sneak peeks, so I am super excited about this month's box. And when we open it up, this is what it looks like inside, and it's packed full. We do get a card, which usually comes with it every month, and a really cute guy on here. Who is this? It says on here that the box is filled with products from Authentic Beauty Concept. And it's the reason we love Authentic Beauty Concept is because of the wide array of styling products that cater to each and every hair type, which is what makes it so authentic to our salon. The Blow Dry Primer is a staple for my stylist as it creates the perfect base for styling our signature tousled, yeah, waves. From the vegan and cruelty ingredients to the elegant scents, Authentic Beauty Concept is a brand our clients and stylists love. Oh, okay. So this is Alan M., an Authentic Beauty Concept advocate. So that's who this is. Okay. So on the other side of the card, of course, we've got all the products that are in here. And the other cool thing, if I didn't mention, everything you get in the AIA Beauty Bundle is full size. So there's no sample size or deluxe sample size products here. Now, again, it doesn't look like anything leaked, which is, it's hard with stuff like this. Okay, so the first thing, Authentic Beauty Concepts, is their Hydrate Lotion. Okay, it retails for $28. And it's a lightweight lotion that fights frizz and helps to protect the hair from blow dry damage. That's really cool. I love stuff like this. And I also use heat protectants like this on my hair extensions. Okay, it does smell really good. This baby, which is their Hydrate Cleanser. So, I'm assuming it's a shampoo. The Hydrate Cleanser retails for $28. It says, this pleasant cleanser brings back elasticity and shine to normal to dry or curly hair, leaving hair feeling fresh, not stripped. So, that I'm actually really excited to try because I'm almost out of my Guy Tang shampoo and conditioner, which I also got in my AIA Beauty Bundle last year. Oh yeah, that smells really good. Next, we've got the Hydrate Conditioner. And this one also retails for $28. And it's a lightweight conditioner that moisturizes normal to dry or curly hair. And it helps it appear supple and smooth. Okay. Next, yeah, there's still more, is the Blow Dry Primer. Okay. I have not tried a hair primer before, so I'm actually really curious about this one. And it also retails for $28. And it's a fluid prep mist with protection against blow dry damage. And it creates the ideal base for any hairstyle. And it also provides subtle control with lightweight conditioning. All right, last but not least is the Beauty Concepts, Authentic Beauty Concept Hydrate Mask. And this one retails for $38. And it's actually a really good size. You get quite a bit in here. I love hair masks. And it's a hydrating mask that's intense yet lightweight. It deeply moisturizes while bringing back elasticity and shine. Okay, so that is the April-May 2021 American Influencer Awards Beauty Bundle. I think it's an awesome box this month. I will definitely give these products a try and let you guys know my thoughts on it. I mean, these are not cheap hair products by no means. So, you know, kind of coming in at that like mid-grade price range for hair products. I'm really curious to try them and see how they perform. So what's the total value of this month's box? It's actually $149 for all of these products, which again, amazing value. Definitely. I am super excited to try everything, and hopefully they all work. Oh God, these do really smell good. Oh my gosh. And look at how, like, it looks whipped. Oh, that looks so nice. I can't wait to use that mask. Yeah, super happy with this subscription. Definitely. Let me know your thoughts. Is this something you've been on the fence about getting? Let me know down in the comments. Okay, that's it. Thanks as always for coming to hang out with me during another one of my videos. I do appreciate it so much. And of course, if you like all things beauty, skincare, makeup, of course unboxings, giveaways, and mature beauty, definitely smash that subscribe button. It does really help my channel out so much, and I'd appreciate the support. Thank you. Love you guys bunches. I will talk to you all soon and see you in the next video. Bye.